many people have chosen a plan for 2022. I mean,
Right.
we've chosen a plan too. So what should we be doing next now?
Okay, so it's twofold. So for the ACA, individual health care, Obamacare, so to speak, is ending on the 15th. After that, you have to have a special enrollment period. Now, for Medicare, it's a little different. For Medicare, you have what's called starting on January 1st through to March 31st, you have what's called open enrollment period. That means that everybody who has selected a Medicare Advantage plan or did not select a new Medicare Advantage plan, if you want to make one change between now and that time, you have the ability. And many people don't realize that. The date got past them, they were sick, they were traveling, they selected a plan, or they answered the phone. And this is the big one that really bothers me. You see all those commercials on television,
Yes.
and they're promising you the world.
Yes.
They promise you the world. Well, really just trying to get you to make a phone call. And people unknowingly just say yes to some question, and they get switched into a plan that they really didn't, their doctors no longer network, or they lose benefits. So the government, really about 3 or 4 years ago, created this period. So if any shenanigans go on, or if you just fail to make that change, you have one opportunity from January 1st to March 31st to make those adjustments. But what we did in preparation for this, when you're listening to someone, you're hearing it, right? So we actually created a checklist that explains exactly what you should be doing. We'll provide you with that to share with your listeners. So to take a couple of seconds, but this is invaluable. This is going to save you money. It's going to save you time, and it's going to, most importantly, make you feel prepared. This is something for you. It's something for you to share with family and friends.
And, when you say the word save money, what happens to our Indian ears?
It perks up.
It perks up.
Asian ears, I would say.
I woke up in the middle of the night, and I was actually thinking about I've been fortunate to travel, to many places in the world and deal with all type of people. That's why I say I'm wealthy. I don't have millions and millions and millions of dollars in the bank, but I feel I'm very wealthy because of the diversity of friends I have. And I noticed that whenever I interact in business with, I'm going to call it South Asians to make it really broad.
Yes.
To make it really broad.
South Asian
They
ears.
always ask for a discount or something like that. But
It's in our genes.
it's in your genes. It's in your DNA.
Even if you give something for free, they'll ask you, can I get two?
Can you get to? Absolutely, absolutely. I actually had a guy call me and was complaining because he was paying 50 cents for his insurance, but okay. But when it comes to negotiating their salaries,
Yes.
it's a little different there. So I'm going to run through this. It's going to take a few minutes, but
Sure.
guys, I promise you, this is invaluable information.